guys, you are very welcome to this channel. You are very welcome to this channel. Today we are going to talk about arpeggios, how to play arpeggios. And if you can watch the beginning of my video, I was playing arpeggios and I was playing a song on it. Mede makuma yina bedowo una uye mi kwanchrefu mido nema somuye. You see, the guy was playing it with the arpeggios. It looked very fantastic, very fantastic. So today I'm going to teach you how to play the arpeggios with a song and a solo, and we are going to sound very sweet and pleasant to ears. So the arpeggios, people have heard about arpeggios, but they don't really know what is arpeggios. You see, sometimes and people think arpeggios is only keyboardists alone who play arpeggios, but guitarists, you have to know your arpeggios very well, because that is the way you can get a background. Like, it make your background of your guitar playing very heavy. Yeah, it make it look very heavy and very sweet. So the arpeggios, you see something like this. It goes something like this. So this is the arpeggios. This is the arpeggios. So anytime you hear the guitar playing, have you seen? So this is the arpeggios. This is the arpeggios. And how are you going to use it to play the song? So Mede Makuma. Mede makuma, mede makuma, inabe, dowo, una uye, miwa, lefu. Have you seen? Mede. So I was playing the arpeggios. Some people, if you don't know the arpeggios, mede makuma, you not go and play. If you strike, it will not go. As a keyboard, like you are playing keyboard, you play the arpeggios as if you are playing the keyboard. So the lead is going to sound like a keyboard, and it's going to make your playing very sweet. You just listen to how I'm going to play it. Midowo. If I put so. See, if I play the so that count. So. Have you seen? So you see the way I was using the arpeggios. The way I was using the arpeggios is very fantastic. And the arpeggios, you cannot play only on C. Try to come here. You see, so the arpeggios, you have to try and move from position to position. So if you play when you are playing the song, you are putting the arpeggios. So as a lead guitarist, it will happen that you are going to perform alone, and you can't play the arpeggios, and you can only play. You see, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. It will not sweet, and yet there you just listen to the arpeggios and the song. see the way I was using the arpeggios. I was using the arpeggios very well. So if they say play arpeggios, if they ask you to play arpeggios, they ask you to play arpeggios, or you want to play arpeggios. If you don't know what is arpeggios, today I've taught you what is arpeggios. Arpeggios is you are playing. See, so this is the arpeggios. Then you add your solo, then you are going. So let's do Mede Makoma. I'm going to play with the song and the beats, and you see how the arpeggios will go. So you see the way I was playing it. It looked very fantastic. Very fantastic. If you watch the way I was playing the arpeggios with the song, it looked very fantastic. So if you are a guitarist and you don't know how to play arpeggios, this is how we play arpeggios. The arpeggios is you swing. So this is arpeggios I'm playing. This is arpeggios I'm playing. This is arpeggios I'm playing. So if you want to learn how to play arpeggios, it's not anything difficult and it's not anything hard. But just by saying, make sure you hit your target and your timing. Make sure you fall on the timing. So if you are playing the arpeggios, if you play your first note, is me. There you go. this is the arpeggio. This is the arpeggio. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. But please like this video and subscribe for more videos, and you can leave a comment. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.